Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast. Today, we are about to embark on a truly unique cultural journey, a hands-on experience that will bring you closer to the heart of Vietnamese craftsmanship. We're going to explore the ancient art of Truc Chỉ, a traditional form of bamboo paper artistry that has been passed down through generations. You'll have the chance to meet the artisans, the people who dedicate their lives to this delicate craft, to learn their stories, and to experience creating your very own Truc Chỉ masterpiece with your own hands. This is not just about making art, it's about understanding a culture, a way of life, and the meaning behind every piece. Before we start, let's take a moment to understand the history behind Truc Chỉ. The term Truc Chỉ literally translates to bamboo paper, but it is far more than just paper. This craft originated in Vietnam centuries ago, and it combines bamboo fibers, water, and natural dyes to create artwork, decorative pieces, and ceremonial items that are both delicate and durable. Truc Chỉ is often used in traditional festivals, religious ceremonies, and art exhibitions. Each piece is imbued with symbolism and carries the personal touch of the artisan who created it. It's fascinating to realize that something so fragile-looking can endure for decades, preserving culture and tradition. Now, let's meet our artisan. As we approach the workshop, notice the tools and materials carefully arranged around us. Piles of bamboo fibers, trays of natural dyes, brushes, and wooden frames. Here is Mr. Nguyen, a master artisan who has been practicing Truc Chỉ for over 30 years. He will share with us the philosophy behind his craft, how patience, attention to detail, and respect for nature are essential elements in creating each work. Don't be shy to ask questions. Artisans love to share their stories, their inspirations, and sometimes even the challenges they face in keeping this traditional art alive in the modern world. Here, you will meet a local artist who tells us that the beauty of Truc Chỉ lies not just in the final product, but in the process itself. Every step, from preparing bamboo fibers to applying natural dyes, is a meditation. For him, this craft is a dialogue with nature. He explains how bamboo is harvested sustainably, then soaked and pounded to extract the fibers. These fibers are carefully mixed with water and dyed using natural pigments from plants and flowers. Every movement is deliberate, every stroke meaningful. Truc Chỉ is also symbolic. For instance, certain patterns are believed to bring good luck, while others convey respect for ancestors. Understanding this symbolism gives us a deeper appreciation for Vietnamese culture and its connection to everyday life, spirituality, and nature. Let's take a closer look at the main steps in creating Truc Chỉ. 1. Preparing the bamboo fibers. Bamboo stems are cut, boiled, and pounded until they become soft fibers. This is a labor-intensive step that requires patience. 2. Creating the paper pulp. The fibers are blended with water to create a smooth, malleable pulp. Here, artisans often add natural dyes to create different colors. 3. Forming the paper. The pulp is poured onto bamboo frames, spread evenly, and left to dry. This stage demands precision to ensure the paper is thin yet strong. 4. Decorating the paper. After drying, artists may add patterns, embossing, or even hand-painted designs. Each piece becomes a unique work of art. As we walk through these steps, notice how each motion is deliberate and each tool serves a purpose. This is why learning directly from the artisan is invaluable. You get to understand the nuances that a simple video or photo could never convey. Now, it's your turn. You will get a small portion of bamboo pulp and a mini frame. Don't worry if it seems tricky at first. The artisan will guide you step by step. Start by spreading the pulp evenly across the frame. Feel the texture between your fingers. Notice how wet fibers slowly turn into a cohesive sheet. Then, experiment with adding natural pigments, creating subtle color patterns. While you work, take a moment to reflect on the experience, the focus, patience, and gentle rhythm required to create something meaningful. It's meditative, almost like a conversation with nature itself. And remember, there's no wrong way. Each creation is unique, just like you. As we work, let's also use this opportunity to talk with the artisan about life in the village. Ask about the festivals, the local cuisine, or even the challenges of keeping traditional crafts alive in a modern world. You'll soon realize that learning a craft is also about learning a culture, and sometimes the simplest conversations reveal the deepest insights. How did the artisan first learn Truc Chỉ? What inspires them today? How do they balance tradition with innovation? By the end of this experience, you'll not only have a beautiful piece of Truc Chỉ to take home, but also a richer understanding of Vietnamese culture and tradition. You've participated in a centuries-old craft, learned from a master artisan, and connected with the local community in a meaningful way. Truc Chỉ teaches us patience, respect for nature, and the beauty of small, careful acts. Each sheet, each stroke, and each color is a reminder that culture lives in hands, hearts, and stories. Thank you for joining this hands-on cultural journey. I hope this experience has been as inspiring for you as it has been for generations of artisans. May your Truc Chỉ creation bring you joy, and may the lessons of patience, mindfulness, and cultural appreciation stay with you long after this day. Remember, traveling is not just about seeing places. It's about feeling, learning, and creating memories that connect you to the people and the culture.